Hi everyone, I am Rini Madhushani. Today I am going to talk to you about early childhood education in Nepal currently working. Today, the Nepalese education system is rapidly expanding and striving to meet the needs of all children. Early childhood development has for a long time been given less importance than it deserves. Care of young children has not been given enough attention, especially within the family and home. Through schools were started in 1950 with the establishment of a Montessori school in Kathmandu. According to Flash Report 2010-11, there are 31,089 ECD primary classes in the country. 26,773 ECDs are running as community-based ECD centers and community school-based ECD. Thus, rate 4,316 of the ECD or PCS are run by private schools. Types of ECD centers and pre-primary classes in Nepal: community-based and school-based, which are ini- initiated by government, NGOs, INGOs and private. Pre-primary classes attached to primary schools. Nowadays, in big cities like Kathmandu, for schools which are named after Montessori systems are increasing and they are very expensive. In reality, the Montessori for schools are not following the technique of Montessori system. They are only using the name for school business. Both private and government ECD centers are generally open from Sunday to Friday, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., while some private ECD centers and nursery schools are more flexible. Besides national holidays, there are winter vacations of 45 days and summer vacations of 15 days in the government schools of Kathmandu Valley. In private schools, this winter and summer vacations also depend on their own calendar. School-based early childhood development and community-based early childhood development centers are being operated in three models. There are government initiatives, INGO or NGO partnerships, and government and INGO partnership. In Nepal, ECD programs are increasing in number but quality varies according to area. In urban area, there are different qualities of ECD program. Expensive, well-equipped and low qualities with few facilities. In rural and remote areas, ECD centers do not have trained teachers and enough learning materials for children. Early childhood education. Early childhood education. Early childhood is considered a crucial period of human life which lays the foundations for the future. Early childhood education and development services are not fully developed within the Nepali context. A key factor is that the geographical structure created rural and urban divisions that affect the educations of young children. Literacy rates are substantially higher in urban area 64% than in rural area 36%. So the school attendance rate of rural areas is also lower compared to urban areas, despite the fact that every child is entitled to attend school free of charge. According to the Department of Education, there are 35,991 early childhood development and primary classes in operation. In rural areas of the number of kindergartens is low, either government funded or the kindergartens by the private sector. There are only 30,412 early childhood development and primary classes in operation in the mountain region. Similarly, in the hill there are 15,671 and in the valley 1,989 early childhood development and primary classes in operation with government supported and private sector. In the Terai area, there are 14,929 early childhood development and primary classes in operation supported by the government and private sector. Kindergarten education provided by the government and private sector creates social gaps as public kindergartens are mainly Nepali speaking. Whereas private kindergartens education is mainly provided via the English language, which is highly prized as the language of social mobility. Thus, while in the private kindergartens, the cost of attending is the major barrier to access. Department of Education show that there are 300, 300, 300 for for sorry 3,412 ECDs in operation in the mountain area, whereas in the hill area it is 15,671 and in the Terai area 14,929. There are three types of early childhood education and development of primary classes which are in operation across the country. There are school-based primary classes are in the operation in mountain, hill, valley in the Terai regions. They are they are funded by the government and uh, are free of charge for all children. Textbooks are provided by the government. The medium and instructions in the Nepali, but the government has given freedom to use mother language as a medium of instruction. A kindergarten facilitator is provided by the government and resources are also government funded. However, problems relating to inadequate infrastructure, high child-teacher ratio, insufficient educational materials, inappropriate classroom arrangements, and inadequate health care and care are ongoing changes. Community-based kindergartens are run by international non-government organizations and non-governmental organizations coordinations with the involvements of the government and local people. Kindergarten facilitators are appointed locally but are required to meet qualifications criteria set by the government. Their salaries are paid partly by the government and partly by the NGOs or by NGOs with contributions from parents. Private kindergartens are mainly funded in urban areas in District 1 hectares and big cities of Nepal. There are 5,543 private kindergartens in operations across the country. Private kindergartens charges fee and they are relatively expensive. A feature of these private kindergartens in that they often also provide ECE for children aged 0 to 3, which public school-based ECE centers do not offer. The private instructions follow English as a language of instructions, which is a great attraction to the parents. Access to early childhood education or lack of easy center in creating parts of the country and the particular for private easy center in the cost of attention in the major barrier to access. In addition, the caste and gender discriminations in another is another factor which is affecting accessibility of early childhood education. In all regions, the enrollment rates is only 0.2 of children who suffer from different kinds of disabilities, which is very low in number. In urban area, there are many public and private kindergartens in operations. Their children can get kindergarten education. Another aspect of access to early childhood services is affordability, which those with better economic resources have great access to such service. Private kindergartens have well-arranged classrooms and are fully supplied with toys and teaching materials. English is the language of instruction and the books are in English. Ex- ex- expect expect for one compulsory Nepali textbook. In the globalized age, many parents see that English is very important and thus want their child to learn English from an early age so that they will be capable of undertaking higher educations anywhere else in the world. The cost of private kindergartens is relatively high. Therefore, many parents they cannot afford the fees, so such kindergartens are not accessible to all. Thank you so much.